Hey guys, thank you for visiting my channel. How do you cook? Back to basics. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a no-bake banana pudding. So the first thing we're going to do is line our pan with vanilla wafers on the bottom. We're going to do this before we mix up our pudding mix so that it doesn't set too quick. There we go. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and get cutting on my bananas and go ahead and get them started in there before I start on my pudding. Be right back. And if you can see, I am cutting up my bananas into about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick slice. And these will go over your Nilla Wafers. Okay, there's those. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot these over and get one more banana peeled and sliced up real quick. Okay, now we got our bananas sliced. We'll probably need more bananas once we get to it. Okay, so here's our Nilla Wafers. They're not supposed to fall, but there they are. Just pick them right back up. It'll be fine. Okay, so grab your bananas, banana slices. And I did wash my hands before I started this process, guys. So just in case you're wondering, you need to make sure that your hands are clean before touching any food. Okay, so it's actually, this is the most simple banana pudding recipe out there, y'all. My mother showed me how to make a banana pudding that you cook, but that's gonna take a little bit more doing, a little bit more planning. So this is just easy for those who just want to make a quick banana pudding. Now you can make it. It's not hard. Just put it in there and okay. I've got some bananas in there. So now I'm going to get my pudding mix ready and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I wanted to give y'all a little bit of a better angle of everything that I'm doing. So, okay, so since we already have one layer of vanilla wafers and one layer of bananas down, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my banana pudding mix. I got a Jello brand banana cream pudding, an instant pudding. It's a 3.4 ounce box. You can use banana pudding or you can use vanilla. I like the banana. It gives that better flavor. So I'm going to use 2 packets of the Jello. And each packet calls for 2 cups of milk. Cold cup of milk. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these away. Alright, now it is time to add our milk. So we're going to add 1 cup. Two cups. Our 3rd cup. And our 4th cup of milk. So each packet, each 3.4 ounce packet of Jello pudding calls for 2 cups of milk. So I'm gonna, it requires a whisk, but I like to use my mixer because it's a lot faster. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this for about 2 minutes. Okay, that's mixed up. So I'm going to leave these. I'm going to go over here and put these in the sink. Okay, now that our pudding is mixed up, we're going to go ahead and start layering our banana pudding. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut another banana because I feel like we're going to need it. Now we are ready to layer our banana pudding. So you can see the consistency of the pudding mix. So now that we have our vanilla wafers and a layer of bananas down, we're going to go ahead and add some of the some of the banana flavored pudding mix. So this recipe, it looks like it may only take 2 layers, which is fine by me. It's all we really need anyway. I'm gonna put another layer of Nilla Wafers down. And you can see this is the most simple recipe for banana pudding out there. Okay, so this recipe called for 2 boxes of the banana flavored pudding mix. That's what I got. I got the Jello brand kind, but you can get whatever you like. I just need to get the rest of these bananas on there. And once you cut your bananas, you gotta hurry up because they start to turn colors and get brown super quick. So you just get those on there. Okay, I'm gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my mixture on top. Try to spread that out a little bit more. Now you can serve this immediately, or you can put it in the refrigerator and let all of the ingredients marry together and kind of blend if you want. So basically, that is your choice on when you want to serve your banana pudding. Okay guys, now wasn't that simple? Only 4 ingredients to make this no-bake banana pudding. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and please consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our easy recipes to come. So thank you so much and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.